got to ask this question. How do I change or add a profile picture to my Quora profile? I'm going to show you how to do this on a computer. I'm using a MacBook with the Chrome browser, show you there, and also show you how to do it on the Quora app. Here we go. So really, go view your profile. Just bring your profile up so you can see it. And when you view your profile, if you hover your mouse over this area here, there's a pencil. You click that pencil, I can go find an image. So go find an image. I want to use this image, open. And I just changed my profile picture in Quora, again, on a web browser, in this case, Chrome on my MacBook. Now, I'm going to show you how to do it on your iPhone or your Android using the Quora app. Okay, I'm using my iPhone. I'm in the Quora app, and there's my profile. I'm viewing it from the home page. All I did was go up top here and click on my profile image, and I clicked on my name where it says Teddy. And you can see that my profile picture has been updated. Now, how do I edit it here? Really pretty easy. Click on the Edit Profile button and Edit Photo. It's a little bit different. On the Chrome browser, you just click on the picture and you can change it. That doesn't work here. You have to click on Edit Profile and then up top, Edit Photo. And when I click Edit Photo, I can choose from Library. I go down and get another picture of me. Here's one right here. Let's use this one. And I hit select. And then I can zoom in or zoom out however I want. Hit choose. Quora would like to access your photos. And it's updated my profile. So if I go back, already done. There's my profile picture updated using the Quora app on my iPhone. I'm Teddy. I've been using Quora for a long time, and I hope this is helpful for you.